In this video, I'm going to wrap up the entire build of my 370Z, which I did a 400Z front end swap on with new lights, new wheels, and a whole new look. And also combine it with the very first time I've really driven it for the season at the LZ World Tours. The LZ World Tour is the first time I will have ever shown anybody this car in person, and it's taken, 500 hours of bodywork. I painted it myself with the Thespraysource's DIY kit in the new paint color Toxin, then headed up to the LZ World Tour. After a full season of tweaking, doing math, geometry, suspension tweaks, and you name it, this is the first actual time that I've been able to drive this car at its fullest and at its full tilt. I got to reveal this car in person. The conversations around it, the amount of people that wanted to take pictures of it and just talk about it was just incredible. I love seeing the hard work that I've done not only look good on track, but be a statement piece for something that can be a part of a car show. I'm excited to get out there this year and travel around, show you guys the car, and just be a part of the community again. So buckle up and enjoy this final bit of the series where we finish up my race car. We're going to start off with a couple things. Well, first, we have a brand new shirt at 53supply.com, and this is why it's so cool. We took this exact pigment, we integrated this exact color into a print, into a shirt. So our new shirt, this Z, also with this shirt as well. This shirt is new and live as well. It's on our site right now. Craziest, coolest, custom shirt we've ever done. We'd love to see you guys' support there. To wrap this car up, to paint this car up, shut up, stupid. I just clear coated the hood, which this is actually kind of funny. I'll talk about this in a minute. But I've got to do new headlights, new wheels for the season, and after that, that's the boring stuff that I won't film where I prep the car for the track. Boom. That's the list, boys. Huge, right? When I was competing against Taylor Holt, I was doing a wall ride. The damage was more than cosmetic, so I'm hoping, golly, look at that color. Holy, whew. Okay, now don't get distracted. So my taillights aren't working. I'm hoping it's not a wiring related thing, so I'll check on this. Anyways, doesn't matter. This stuff is awesome. I used the Thespraysource's trim black. It's called base black on this. I barely sanded it. I literally think I just scuffed it, sprayed it. It dried within 10 minutes, popped it right on there with rivets, and it's solid. Didn't touch that one. That's why it looks ugly. Last thing I'll say, the hood, really cool. So I painted this right there. Didn't go back to the paint booth. Now, boys and girls, don't try this at home. It can do it, but painted it with my 10-gallon compressor. The only reason, they're coming for me, boys. The group chat got leaked. FBI, open up! Only reason I was able to do that is because of the Thespraysource's newest paint gun that he added to his site, which is the Lyro. This is an LVLP, low volume, low pressure gun. It's internally regulated right here. And because of this thing, I was able to paint with low pressure. Just a couple inline dryers and setting the external regulator correctly, I was able to do it. So crazy. I just did a couple coats on it, and now all it needs is honestly a polish. Unfortunately, hoods are expendable. They are amortizable in the drift world, so not gonna spend too terribly much time on it, but clear coat your carbon fiber hoods, boys, because the resin that they use to seal it will always get sun damaged, and now it will not. And I'll be able to coat it, polish it, test all my products on it. It's gonna be awesome. Check her out, dude. AlphaRex doesn't ship these like this, but the girls just had to get a little bit of their excitement out. The biggest change on this car was that I made my own custom 400Z headlight conversion. And when I first posted that, it got shared around a little bit, got some interest. On the very first post, AlphaRex reached out to me, which if you guys don't know who AlphaRex is, in my opinion, the highest quality, easiest to install LED headlights for a lot of different cars on the market. In fact, I just put some on my F-250, and they are the coolest things ever, because I don't know if you guys have seen 2017 F-250 headlights, the OEM ones. They're the worst. Honestly, they should be illegal because you can't see anything out of them. I have been waiting so long to open these things. A super hot wife is gonna get those out. So you guys probably noticed during the bodywork process that I just stopped caring at some point because I knew that AlphaRex was sending me headlights. Good. Dude. This is awesome. So in the OE light, which, they look cool, don't get me wrong. They are just like a little stripe LED and then the main headlight. This one, dude, you've got sequential LEDs, 4 MOs right there, dude. That's crazy. That's beautiful. I feel like it'll make it pop a little bit better. Yeah. Oh yeah, also, your new shirt. You want to talk about your new shirt? We got a girly shirt, boys.
I'm tired of boy design.
So if you want to check out the girly shirt.
We got sunglasses, 5'3".
She did that all herself. What do we? So if you guys got girlfriends or wives, or you know what, dude, if you boys like wearing crop tops, I'm not gonna judge you, but they're on the site too. This would have saved me almost $1,500 this year. Isn't that insane? This is called the Always Start. When I tell you about this, you're gonna be like, why has this never existed before? Doesn't matter, because it's here now. I'm gonna break it down for you as simply as I can. This is a smart kill switch, so that you never have to worry about a dead battery, parasitic draw, trickle chargers, jump packs ever again. This incredibly easy to install device is available on a Kickstarter. Links in the description, but let me just show you how it works. Remove your battery cables from the terminals. Put said battery cables on Always Start. Then put Always Start cables on battery. Monkey can do this. You can too. Press on. It will tell you that it's connected and protected, and it will also show you your battery voltage meter. When it detects a parasitic draw or battery voltage loss, it automatically shuts itself off, breaks the circuit, and saves your battery. For me, that's huge. Buying new batteries all the time is really frustrating. It's really annoying. Having this year alone would have saved me over $1,000 in batteries. The issue I'm having is I'm trying not to overhype this and oversell this. I'm excited about it because it is one of the coolest little devices I've ever seen. And if you're interested in this, read about it, read as much as you want on it. It is really, really, really cool. But they are running a Kickstarter right now to get the very first products out to you guys. I have a link for you in the description. Just head to the Kickstarter to save yourself thousands and thousands of dollars. Stop worrying about jump packs, trickle chargers, jumper cables. Check it out for yourself. I mean, even if you have a mom or a dad, you know, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas present, birthday present, like this is something amazing that will be beneficial to not only the car enthusiast, but for anybody that just uses a motor vehicle. One of the most annoying things in the world is when you are trying to get somewhere, you have a really important day ahead of you, or you need to be at an appointment or something like that, and for some reason, it's just that one time your car won't start. Well, this will eliminate the time that your car won't start. I'm excited to see where this goes. And I'm gonna be honest, I told the owner, I'm like, dude, I'm not gonna lie, I'm buying like 6 of these, maybe 10. Check out the link that I have for you below, the Kickstarter link. Go read about it, learn about it, and grab one for yourself. I'm floored by this thing. So click the link I have for you below. All right, so you can see this right now. I have everything kind of quasi-mounted. I'm gonna end up welding, actual steel to it, but I needed to get these things secured. Dude, I mean, it's bad. Let's get these off. Gotta get the bumper and stuff off. Also, quick release, the best. If you do not do quick release, you're messing up. Let's get them on, dude. It's so much cleaner. A couple things, I still have to make mounts like I was saying. The headlight is like, it kind of like tilts this way, it skews itself. Once I weld everything, it'll fit up nicely. But here we go. I'll get it out in a minute after I wire up. I'm probably just gonna make a jumper harness just to get the lights on. But this looks infinitely better. I guess the gloss black housing, the quality of the light itself, it's so good. The install also is amazing. Golly, that's so cool.
Don't get distracted.
Anyways, I'll probably save the polishing till later. Let's get the wheels on. Something that I'm super excited about this year is our parts and wheel sponsor is Fitment Industries. You guys know I like my T37s, my Graham lights, the real wheels, the hot boy stuff. But when it comes to a race car, it's really important to stick to a financially reasonable budget. When you're competing, you blow wheels up, you blow them apart, and unsprung weight matters a lot. So does the strength of the wheel. And I want to say this real quick. Out of all the cast wheels that I have run, these are incredibly light wheels, and they are the strongest wheel. I've never had one break. I've had one crack. I drove like 4 events with a cracked Enovia wheel. It was before I worked with them, and that's what sold me on the Enovias. They're so good. Anyways, this is their brand new design, one of their brand new designs that I'm kind of debuting here, and it is awesome. So I'm still very particular about the styling of it, and I've always thought that 370Zs, don't know why, they deserve a concave, low spoke count wheel. I've always loved 5-spoke wheels. I just think 5 spokes, think of like Advan GTs. I think that's the best wheel you can put on a 370Z. I think the best wheel for a car depends on the car. You know what I mean? I don't think you should just put any wheel on any car. So, being particular about it, seeing that they had just released this AN-5S, I was like, you know what? We're right on the money, dude. So check this out. So these are the new Enovia. These are sick, dude. So these usually come with a spoke decal. Already, they come with them, already pre-cut, but because my accent color for my stuff is chartreuse, I'm making my own. So these are 9.5s plus 22 in the rear. They have a common usable sizes and offsets. The fronts are 8.5 plus 38, I think, whatever's on the site. So these are sick. They are a machined lip with a gunmetal face. I've talked about our degreaser a fair amount, but I just want you guys to know, it's so good. If you're a mechanic or not, like this stuff will just eliminate grease on any surface. It's so effective against anything petroleum-based, grease-based. It gets all wiped off on the towel. You're a mechanic, this is a must. Seriously, clean your subframe, any oil, this stuff is amazing. Dude, blacktiedetailing.com. Okay, now we blow it up. This always scares me. I've done this 1,000 times. Scares me every time. Oh, this one's coming. Okay, this one's gonna do it now. Ah! Oh my gosh. The way I run my cars is interesting for a lot of people. Very, very, very rear grip bias. I run really thin fronts at like 50 PSI. And then on the rears, I just put on like low tread wear 285 at like 12 PSI. Big front bar, no rear sway bar, all the rear grip. Get a Sem, guys. Get yourself cozy in a car. I'm trying to drive like this. Grab another microfiber and then finish it off with tire shine the long way. This is our solvent-based tire shine, by the way. It's really good. Use it well. Use it a lot. It's good stuff. It's amazing. All right, let's go. Man, I wasn't filming that. It's so funny. The guy that owns the paint booth that I rented to paint this just randomly stops by. And he's like, I just want to see how the car turned out. And he hopped in here, looked at it. He's like, oh my God. Let's see how this fitment is on front. Is it on fleek though? Oh yeah. She fits just right. I think it's time to get it outside. It's outside. Do you girls want to see the paint color with the new wheels? You want to go in it? Okay, that's fine. Now you can see. Look at all the colors. Yeah, look. You want to go? We don't need to go in it. Wait, hey, look at this angle, Gabby. You can see all the colors change.
No, this way.
You see that? That's crazy, huh? This is why you have kids, dude. You don't gotta work no longer. You just gotta make them roll your trailer tires in. You got it? You got it, dude. Nice. These are the new fronts. I run 16 ply on the front of my drift car. On it there.
Hey, look, I touched the wrench.
You touched a wrench. Daddy does that all the time. Good job, sweetie. Proud of you. Once I get these headlights hard mounted, it'll line up to the bumper better. Like this gap will no longer exist. The car needs the spoke decal. I'm gonna have a few decals on it. I'm gonna keep it really simple just because like this color is obviously insane. We're hugging it. Good thing I got some really good products to get fingerprints off. You wanna get in the back of the car and you want me to drive it?
Yeah.
Okay, I can do that.
Can you do
they're not
it
welded
right now?
on. I can do it right now.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Later.
Here he comes.
No.
Golly! I love the sound of this car. Golly!
Children is like cowering behind the seat with her ears covered.
But she loves it.
And then Gabby's like, go, 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 go. I'll do one more.
This is literally kicking me with stuff. That was awesome. It's race season, baby.
I'm so excited.
Oh, I just love it so much.
Go,
See, Julie.
Go.
Julie's wanting more. You love it?
Yeah, I want to do
Hey, are you ready to go to the racetrack next week?
Yeah.
He's taking that car.
That was good.
She was saying go, 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 but like cowering behind the seat.
Are you guys ready to go to the racetrack again?
Yeah.
So happy. I finished up wiring the headlights, loaded the car up, and with my boys, we went up to New Jersey for the LZ World Tour. I made kind of a half of a vlog for this, but I wanted to focus more on getting the car dialed for the season. I gotta tell you what, dude, I was super, super impressed with myself and my team, and everybody loved this car. It was just so awesome to see it driving and drifting. It was a statement piece. It was incredible. What's awesome is I qualified P10, like 10th out of, like a 40-something drivers, I think. So I was in the top 16. I ended up getting knocked out by Brian Hopp, who's a FD driver, after a one more time battle. Track was super wet, it was sketchy, but it was great to get the experience, drive with some amazing people, see some old friends. It's not often you see a car like this that's, one-off and customized, also rip on the track, and it was just such a cool experience. I'm excited for this year, and I hope you guys are too. There's a lot more amazing stuff to come.